What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play I Don't Let Go by XXXTentacion. I wanted to start this video off by saying happy holidays to all of you, and thank you so much to everybody who's helped support the channel. I was really excited when X dropped this album because I knew a lot of you guys were going to want me to show you how to play the songs from the album, and I think I figured out almost all of them. So I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos over the next couple of days, hopefully covering this entire album. As always, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and once you get done with the video, check the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Just a little gift I like to give away to everybody who comes to the channel and checks out the videos. It's great for all skill levels, especially for you beginners. So once you get done with the video, check the description below, go get your free ebook. For now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is going to be a little bit more difficult because it's dealing with all bar chords. I found a way to play with a capo, but it doesn't really make it that much easier because it switches pretty quickly, and I feel that the switching this way is easier and it's going to build up your hand strength. So you got 3 chords. Your first one's going to be a D minor. It's going to be a barred 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger on your 7th fret on your D string, pinky finger on your 7th fret on your G string, middle finger on the 6th fret on the B string. Now the good part is you're going to keep this exact same formation when you switch to the next 2 chords. You're just going to move it down 1 string. So go from here, everything's the same, just come here, and then move it up to your 8th fret and to your 6th fret. So it's the same exact formation as here. You're just moving it to where you're starting your index fingers on the 8th fret. So you're barring the entire 8th fret. Ring finger 10th fret A string, pinky finger 10th fret D string, middle finger 9th fret G string. And then just move that formation down to the 6th fret. And those are your 3 chords. Strumming pattern's fairly simple. You're going to stay on your first chord for down, down, up, down, down, up, up. And then you're only strumming the other 2 chords once each, and they're just gonna be down, down. So down, down, up, down, down, up. And that up is gonna be kind of muted as you switch, which is fine. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. A little bit slower, looks like down, down, up, down, down, up as you're switching, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. That's going to be pretty hard. Your hand is going to get tired after a while of playing it, but that's another benefit of this song is it will build your hand strength fairly quickly. It might be a little bit frustrating at first, might be a little bit harder, but stick with it, keep practicing, you will get it in no time. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Leave any questions or comments or concerns in the comment section below, along with any other songs that you guys want me to teach you. Don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.